Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabhe Entertainment guys. Akasa act Utata Mseleko. Is it because month end and he needs aba bantu to maintain first wife okanye masithini to maintain istimela sasesiphakisana akasa act all lovey-dovey towards uMakhumalo nomntanakhe ekungumpilo. By the way owayithe nje yena akafuni ukuzibandakanya naye because akakwazi ukumthethela nomamakhe ekunguMakhumalo. So finally after he was called out by viewers of Uthando Nesithembu, and as nobanzothi they were calling him out or begging him to act right towards uMakhumalo nomntanakhe ekungumpilo after he decided indoba uzofike aposte umacele umayeni skip uMakhumalo then azoposta uMangwabesana, then ran to Facebook esobona ba people are coming for him wayotsho indoba indoda ithanda apho ihlonishwa khona. Still people were like, you are so unnecessary, like the drama is for what? Ishow seyiphelile, stop it with the drama. So after a few days after people called him out, if you are the Uthando Nesithembu, he has officially decided indoba makaposte ke uMakhumalo as well as umntanakhe ekungumpilo Mseleko. This is the recent post ke ayipostileyo ithi ke kofa inja iyolahlwa. Guys, I don't know what it means. I think sofa silahlane. Can someone please translate? Because the English translation is so bad. The English translation says the dog will be dumped. So people were laughing at the English translation of that. So wasuka ke after a post uMakhumalo waphinde ke wayoposta umpilo eme noMakhumalo wathi ke, this is my family guys. Now the people are so divided, they are so over him. Number one, they 100% feel as though one khona ke abantu that feel like uposta kuba kwi month end and uyayidinga imali, and imali sayazi indoba izosuka kubani, izosuka kwiblessa lethu, our very own my soul wasemzumbe ekunguThobile Mseleko. Secondly, there are some people that are saying yonke into ibisenzeka kuThando Nesithembu season 9 between uMakhumalo and Utata Mseleko, it was scripted, it was all acting. That is why beqhubelekile even now on social media be-actor ingathi abathandani. Aba bantu 100% bayathandana. So there are those people that are believing that everything is a lie. Now nizokhumbula ke kwishow uMakhumalo wake wasixwayisa wathi, yay guys, ningabozikholwa izinto ezipostwa nguTata Mseleko, especially phaya ku Instagram. The last season 8 apho sasixabene khona yena ethe izinto engizenzayo la kwaMseleko by the way into engangilethelwe I'm failing to do. What did he do after being called out and trashed by a lot of South African men? He ran to social media wayokwenza ivideo wayotsho indoba yena noMakhumalo they are on good terms. Uthi uMakhumalo ke ngoku ku season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu, mna ndinguMakhumalo, I only found out through Instagram that we are actually on good terms. Utata Mseleko has never come to me, humble himself, azoxolisa ngento ayichileyo ku season 8 that mna izinto enzenzayo by the way ndohlulekile kukuzala. So do not believe everything that he actually does there on social media. So people were of the view that they are acting, and that after the actation, and that's what Nzothindon guys, but they have made a peace. So that's to say ungafumaniseka uba Utata Mseleko akaxolisanga kwayena, akaxolisanga kuMakhumalo, akaxolisanga nakumpilo. He has decided indoba uzoposta, and if niyazibona as pictures ezi, they are not recent pictures, they are not also pictures from the diary session, zi pictures zakudala, because inwele zikaMakhumalo ngoku sezinjani, sezikhulile. They are no longer like bold, or rather let me say she is no longer bold like she used to. So people are also questioning that indoba, why is Makhumalo still bold? Because pictures, where are the recent pictures to show that you two have 100% made peace with one another? We understand. I'm just gonna take 2 comments cause yeah guys bayamthuka abantu abaninzi. So oyi-1 uthe waze wakhohlakalela umpilo after eziphathe kahle kanjena. You need to do right by her and don't don't force her to warm up to your situation. Number 5, it was only your choice. So esisithombe ke esinompilo sipostwe ku Instagram kuphela, and it was never posted to Facebook. I hope you're not trying to make social media happy, but you're actually fixing the family you broke yourself. Start taking accountability and go and apologize to Uma Khumalo, Mayeni and Umangwabe. Uyeke ukurabisha the poor, beautiful wives. Okay, what I love about this picture is that it was taken in September, November, when Makhumalo cut off her hair. We don't know how the situation is like now after season 9. Omnye othi kube usale usuyeka ungamposti, uposta ngoba sekhulume abantu. Uma number 3, why epostwa ekugcineni? Because hey, number 3, why epostwa ekugcineni? Because ubaposta ngokulamana kwabo ave ukhohlakele wena baba. uJackie Phamutso naye also joined the chat, and this is what she had to say. She said, guys, the body language, she clearly doesn't want to be touched by you, Tata Mseleku. You have become such a horrible human towards started. May God continue blessing her so she can find peace in this life. This picture is proudly sponsored by Month End. So nazo ke guys izinto abantu ebebezitsho about the recent pictures of Uma Khumalo and Umpilo that were posted by Udarumo Samseleko. What are your thoughts on that? Please ndiyacela engage. Another thing, guys, ebenifuna ukuthetha ngayo is this meet and greet kama Khumalo that is flying all over social media. I don't like the fact that Uma Khumalo only posted with stories zakhe, because yofumaniseka ba kukhona abantu that do not go through his stories but rather read something ekwi timeline. So the meet and greet is fake, guys. Bekhona no basic silver table which was 1.5, kukhona gold table which was 3,000 rand, kukhona VIP table which was 6,000 rand, guys. I really hope that no one has deposited anything, because what on earth is this? But and anyways, guys, Uma Khumalo has posted to say that akuna meet and greet. All of that is fake, guys. Do not deposit imali zenu anyway unless you see a poster in the equi timeline kama Khumalo, equi Instagram kama Khumalo with the blue check mark on Instagram. The verified Instagram, the verified Facebook. That is the only time Apple uzo poster okanye uzo send this uzo poster whereby you will say the things that are being said about meet and greet or anything to do with money are true. But if they are not there, then it's all a scam. So yeah, guys, nazo indaba and in patele zona ze horror. Guys, do let me know what your thoughts are, and I will surely see you shortly. Bye, guys.